we'll guide you through how to use Google Sheets keyboard shortcuts to make your workflow more efficient. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Google Sheets on your desktop and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Once you're in a spreadsheet, you'll want to get familiar with some of the most commonly used shortcuts. For quick navigation between sheets, use Control plus Page Up or Page Down. To add a new sheet, press Shift plus F11. When you want to select an entire column, just use Control plus Space, and for an entire row, press Shift plus Space. Moving on to editing. If you need to copy and paste, just like in other applications, Control plus C and Control plus V will do the trick. For cutting, use Control plus X. If you make a mistake, don't worry, you can undo it with Control plus Z and redo it with Control plus Y. To quickly insert a comment, use Control plus Alt plus M. Now, if you want to format text, like making it bold, italic, or underlined, you can use Control plus B, Control plus I, and Control plus U respectively. For aligning text to the left, center, or right, use Control plus Shift plus L, E, or R. If you need to quickly enter today's date into a cell, press Control plus semicolon, and for the current time, use Control plus Shift plus semicolon. These shortcuts can save you a lot of time, especially if you're working on large data sets or frequently switching between tasks. You can always check out the Help menu in Google Sheets for a full list of shortcuts, but these are the essentials to get you started. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.